In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ section using Elementor. Having a clear and informative FAQ can help streamlining communication with your audience and improving user experience on your site. Let's get started on designing an effective and visually appealing FAQ section that your visitors will appreciate. To begin, you're going to want to enter the Elementor editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to create custom layouts and designs with ease. Once you're in the editor, look for the area where you'd like to place your FAQs. Hover over the section and get ready to infuse it with some dynamic functionality. Now, to bring those FAQs to life, you need to find the accordion widget. Elementor offers many widgets, but the accordion is perfect for FAQs because it allows you to present information tidily and accessibly. Simply click on the plus icon in the editing panel to access the widget menu. In the search bar, type accordion, and you should see the accordion widget pop up. Once you locate it, simply drag it and drop it into your section. This will act as the framework for your FAQ, allowing you to organize information in a clean, expandable format. With your accordion widget in place, it's time to start populating it with your questions and answers. Over on the left, you'll notice the Content tab, which is where you'll be doing most of your work. Here, you can add multiple items that represent individual Q&A entries. Let's dive into it. Click to add a new item, and beneath the title field, type your first question. This will be the captivating sentence your users see at a glance. Make sure to keep your questions concise and representative of the common queries you receive. Moving on to the content field, this is where you'll provide the answer. The beauty of Elementor is the flexibility it offers. You're not limited to just plain text. You can spice things up by embedding images, adding links, or even using rich media to enhance the explanation. This approach is especially helpful if your responses require visual aids or additional context to fully convey the message. If you have multiple FAQs to include, repeat this process of adding items, entering questions, and providing detailed answers as needed. Organizing them in a logical order can further aid in user navigation and accessibility. This makes it easier for your visitors to find exactly what they're looking for without feeling overwhelmed. So there you have it, a straightforward process for adding a functional and attractive FAQ section using Elementor. With these steps, you not only meet user expectations, but also provide accessible, helpful content right at their fingertips. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore other customizable options in Elementor to keep enhancing your site.